do you want to take your flipping to the next level? Then it's a good idea to get the Koffel mod. In case you already know how to install a Forge mod, you can find the newest version on GitHub. In case you don't, we start by launching Minecraft 1.8.9. For this, we just create a new profile and scroll down in the version list until we find 1.8.9. Make sure you have selected the newly created profile before you launch the game. After Minecraft is launched, we just close it again since we only need Minecraft to download the version for us. Now we download Forge. For this, go to the Forge website and select 1.8.9 on the left. And then simply click on Installer. After skipping an ad, the download will start. Now you can find the installer in your downloads folder. Simply double click it to start. This window will open. If you have Minecraft installed somewhere that isn't the default, we have to edit the path here. Click OK. The installation will be finished when you see successfully installed Forge. At this point you have successfully installed Forge. To confirm this, you can now start Minecraft 1.8.9 with Forge. Make sure you have selected the Forge profile. If you did everything right, you can now see Powered by Forge in the bottom left corner. The next step is to install the Koffel mod. You can find the latest version of the mod on GitHub. On GitHub, simply download the jar file. Now we need to move the mod jar into the mod folder. To access your mods folder on Windows, press Windows plus R on your keyboard and type in %appdata%. This will open your roaming directory. In here, open .minecraft. Then open mods.
On Linux, this is found in /home, your username, /minecraft/mods.
And copy or drag the Koffel mod in here. The Koffel mod is now installed and ready to use.